Hello everyone, مرحبا. أنا سامي. سررت بلقائك. سررت بلقائك. بلقائك for female and male. Remember these words because you will hear too much and it will help you to how to introduce yourself in Arabic language. Today we have the next step, how to start to learn in Arabic or Arabic alphabet or Arabic generally. If you remember that the last video I have shared with you on our Facebook page and on our YouTube channel, this video, last one was or first step of Arabic, how to learn, because many people contacting with us. I see many message, they asking how to learn Arabic, how to start, what is the best way to start learning or learn Arabic. So today if you remember that I already shared one video, it was includes the Arabic alphabet. So this was the first step, and you can find this video. It's first video on our page on Facebook, and on YouTube you can watch it. So this was the first step. The next step is same Arabic alphabet, but it will be includes Fatha or vowels. Vowels, you know that with all forms, or you can call signs or sign. The sign in Fatha, this Fatha, it's equal or denoting to a or a in English. Okay, here we have in English letters, and it's looks like this, as you see here. So we have the Arabic alphabet, الحروف المفتوحة, or with Fatha. Okay, it's same Arabic letters exactly as you see before in first video, in first step, but just include the Fatha, this one which you see right now, and it equal in English or denoting to a in English or a. Okay, so all these letters, which will be same exactly as you learned before in first step or first video, but it just you have to read or pronounce exactly like this, a, like ba, ta, tha, ga or ja, ha, kha, da, dha, ra, za, sa, sha, sa. Why sa or sha or da or a or ba? Because this is Fatha. Fatha means you have to open your mouth and say a, ba, ga, and so on. Okay, so it's not very difficult, just follow me and step by step. This is our next step, and I have some example here. So let's start. Okay, are you ready? Alif, if you remember, alif, alif, a. Okay, b, ba, that one, ba. Te, ta. The, tha. Gim, ga, or jim, ja, this one. Why G and ja and ga? Because sometimes you need to use with or denoting to or equal in English letters G, sometimes J. So how to, you should know that. And also in Arabic language, some words you have to say ja, some words you can use, you have to say ga. Okay, so جيم جا حا حا فتحة حا خا فتحة خا دال فتحة دا ذال فتحة ذا. Remember your tongue a little bit out. ذا like this. ذال فتحة ذا. را فتحة را را. زاي فتحة زا. سين فتحة سا. شين شين فتحة شا. صاد صا صا. ضاد ضا. I will not say فتحة. Okay, so you have to understand. صاد فتحة صا. ضاد, yes, exactly, ضا. طا طا. ضا فتحة ضا. okay. عين عين فتحة ع. غين فتحة غا غا GH. فا فتحة فا. قاف فتحة قاف قاف فتحة قا قا Q. كاف فتحة كا K, you can use in English. لام فتحة لا. I remember why we say لا, because there is فتحة. This vowels or this symbol or this sign is in Arabic language we use to open the letter or the word when you're trying to read. I have an example and I will just, let's finish. لام فتحة لا. ميم, this one, ميم فتحة ما ما. okay. Next, noon, this is our mi ma. This is na na. Ma na. M N here. Na نون فتحة نا. ها فتحة ها. واو فتحة وا وا. يا فتحة يا. okay. So 28 letters or alphabet, Arabic alphabet. Today we have with Fatha. Fatha. These are Fatha. Okay, you see Fatha. Okay, here we have an example. A few words. These words will help you to how to read in the letters in with Fatha. Okay, let's zoom in a little bit. okay. Ma, remember, meme, this one, meme with Fatha. How to read? Try. Yes, exactly, ma. Okay, so let's go back again to the word ma. What is the next letter? What is this one? Go back. Alif, but without Hamza. Okay, so ma. These are mad, and later we will have one video about this one. So we have ma, mim, alif. How to read ma? Okay. Next word ha. You see? Ha. Fatha ha. Go back. Ha. Fatha. This one. You see? Here. Okay, what else? The fatha the. This one. You see? Here are the fatha the. So we have ha, the, alif. How to read now? Okay, let's go. Ha, the. Okay, so let's start again. Whole sentence. ما هذا ما هذا. That's it. ما هذا. What does it mean? What does it mean this one? ما هذا. What is this? What is this? ما هذا in Arabic. Very simple. Okay. The next one is the answer for the first. It's we don't need answer, but just in case. ما هذا, just an example. ما هذا, someone asking me ما هذا, and he which this one is what ما هذا. Okay, I said هذا كتاب. هذا. Okay, look. ذا ألف كاف. Here are kaf, you see, but not with fatha. This is not fatha. Remember, this is would be next sign or next view of Arabic letters. This is our kasr. Here, if you remember, if you see here, we say kaf fatha ka. But this kasra, how to say? Kaf kasra ki. You see? Ki. There is different. Ka, ki. Okay, so how to read now? هذا kita ta fatha ta. Here are ta. You see? Ta fatha ta. Okay. Kitabun. هذا كتاب. This is a book. Okay. Next. أهذا بيت. This is a house, or you can say, is this a house, or this is a house. أهذا بيت. نعم. The answer. نعم هذا بيت. Yes, this is a house. Okay. لا. Here. لا هذا مسجد. Let's zoom in. لا هذا مسجد. لا هذا مسجد. No, this is a mosque. Okay. من هذا. Who is this? من هذا. هذا ولد. This is a boy. Okay. So please note that this word هذا, when you read, you say هذا. You read exactly like this, but it's written like this. Okay, the alif, first alif, it's not it's written like this, but when you force or pronounce, it's pronounced exactly like this. هذا. You pronounce like this, but it's written exactly like this without alif. Okay, as you see here, you remove this alif. It's not okay. If you see also kitabun, the n sound is like kitabun, masjidun, baytun. This is tanween. We call it tanween. This na, but later we will have we will share some video or one video about this tanween. Okay, alif. When you're asking هذا بيت, this is a house. This it's donating to like when you answer a house. This is equal in when you're asking in Arabic. Okay, that's it. Today, I hope this video will be helpful for you. This is the next step, and please do not forget to share our page on Facebook, Learn Zero Arabic. Subscribe to our channel on YouTube, and I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you try to learn the lesson today, and this is the next step. If you did not start the first step, we have this video on our Facebook page. You can find it there. And after you finish the first step, go to next step. Next step today, the Arabic alphabet with Fatha. Already explained to you that what does mean Fatha and how to pronounce the Arabic letters with Fatha. Here are some examples. An example. Later I will share with you some vocabulary about from Arabic to English. Just please try to learn and practice this alphabet with Fatha. And I hope this video will be helpful for you, and please do not forget, invite your friends to like and share our page on Facebook, Learn Zero Arabic. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we will try to do our best to help you, and good luck. See you.